you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Queen Pin K and you're watching what? Queen Pin Entertainment. Welcome back, Queen Pin Crew. I'm back with another lit video for you today. As you can tell by the title, the description, and all of that good shenanigans, this is a Japanese makeup haul. This is all the makeup I brought back with me from my trip to Japan. Now, I must warn you, it's not a whole bunch, and I did not go to like a huge makeup store, but I was able to go to like Dasai store. I'm pronouncing that wrong, but it's basically like their dollar store, Family Dollar type of store. Everything's super affordable, so I was able to get just a couple of things. It's just enough to try out, and I'm so excited. So stick around, stay tuned, and see what I got. So first up, by Your Glam times Tokyo Girls collection. For 300 yen, I got this kabuki brush. This is so freaking soft. Yeah, I could get behind this. The next brush I got is this multi-finger brush, or this finger multi-brush. I think this is really perfect for getting concealer in the inner corners of your eye. I think that's what I'm going to try to use it for, or getting under your eye. Oh, it's not as soft as I thought it would be, which is nice. I think it's actually pretty dense, which is fantastic. I think this will be great for going under my eyes, maybe even nose contouring. Ooh. In here, I'm gonna need a bunch of these. I just realized I should have got like 8. Yeah, these are nice. These are gonna be so multi-purpose. They weren't lying. I like it. I'm excited to use this. Next, by Your Glam, I got this blush. It's Pearl Rich Cheek in the color 4C. Now, this is the only shade I thought would probably match my skin tone, so I got it. Let's swatch this bad boy. This was only like 200 yen or something. Ooh, that is creamier than I thought that was gonna be. Okay. That's ashy, but let me see. I'm gonna use my kabuki brush. Let's try that on. If I look ashy, I just look ashy. You know what? Actually, it's giving just like a subtle highlight. I'm really excited. I hope this isn't like a white base, but if it is, I mean, I can't be mad at that. Next, I got this eyebrow pencil in the color black. I don't know the brand, but I'm excited to try it. Okay, so I got the spoolie side opened. Got a spoolie. Oh my gosh, so I finally got that off. Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay, yes I did. That took me like 10 minutes. This is black, huh? Let me do a swatch, because it's looking a little ashy. No, it's not. It's actually okay. I could use that. I'm gonna use that. And it's kind of buttery. I think it's gonna be a really cute eyebrow pencil. I got this mascara with a comb. It's in this brown color. I cannot find a black mascara, so I'm excited to see what this looks like on. I'm probably not gonna try it on today, but overall I'm still excited. I'm not going to try this on right now because I have lashes and mascara on, but I do want to see what it looks like. Oh, wait. The comb is in the top right here. Ooh. Cute. Look at that. It's all little. That's cute. And then the mascara is also really cute and little. Oh, this is going to be the cutest thing in the world. Yeah, and I think the comb is really cute. Next, I had to get some lip stuff. Back from Your Glam. Your Glam. I got this lip plumping gloss. This lip plumping gloss. I got this lip plump, whatever. It's in clear. You can't go wrong with a clear lip gloss. Now, this says it's a lip plumping gloss. So let's see just how plumping it is. It's so cute. It smells like, it smells almost like NyQuil. Oh, it does have a little tingle. It's not like too spicy of a lip gloss that you feel it like come up just a little. I don't mind it. Oh, it's coming in like fresh mint on your lips. It's like real subtle. It's actually kind of nice. And next up, I got another, I think it could be for your lips, but it's probably a multi-purpose tint because it is a liquid matte tint, but it doesn't specify if it's for lips or cheeks or something else. So I got it for my lips, but it is in the color Deep Red. This isn't that deep, but hey. Let's try this tint. Oh, oh, okay, it is like a lipstick. Ooh, wait, that's pigmented as hell. Ooh, I underestimated their deep red. It's not like hella deep red, not like Americans think deep red is, but that little baby got some pigment. Our deep reds here probably make us look like sluts. Next up, I got two eyeshadow palettes. They're by the same brand. One is in the color Mood Camel, and one's in the color Light Pistachio. This is Mood Camel. As you can see, one of the eyeshadows did not make it back from the trip properly. Really sad about it. I'm only gonna swatch a couple. I feel like, okay, ooh, it's all out the package. Oh, I'm so sad. Way to glitter bomb me, okay? Here's the colors. We are going to swatch that glitter shade. Ooh. That is pigmented, huh? Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm not even mad at it for breaking. I'm gonna do a color I'm probably gonna use a lot, which is this one right here. Ooh, these are smooth. That feels like butter. It's a little patchy. It's a little patchy, but you can work with that. I've had worse eyeshadows, I ain't gonna hold you. And here's like pistachio. These ones made it back fine. Cute out the package. I want to do this green. I have to do this green. Same. It's very smooth. Maybe if I rub it. Okay. It works really good if you rub it out with like your hand first. This is a really nice green. I'm going to be using this probably a lot. Okay. Now, let's swatch this pink. Shout out to the AKAs. I'm not an AKA. I just love pink. And I love green. So, I would have been if I would have did a sorority. The key is to rub it. This is a very soft pink. I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but it's very subtle and it's very soft. It's actually really, really cute. These are actually really cute together. I might use these together in one of my next looks. So that's all I felt like swatching from the eyeshadow palettes. And last but not least, this is not a makeup item, but I've seen people use these to clean their beauty blenders and I wanted to give it a try. I got this mini working washer machine. That's so cute. I'm just happy I finally get to open this. So you would put some batteries in it, press this little button, and I guess it would start working. And then this is your drainage pipe, which is really cute. Oh, it's adorable. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and seeing what I got. I am excited to try it all, like, actually on my face. Because next time I go back, I'm actually going to go to the bigger makeup stores and see what other stuff they have. So without further ado, let's end this video, wrap it on up. Let me know down below what you liked in here, what you liked in this haul, what you guys would want to see. What country would you want to see me get makeup from? Ooh. Before we go, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that post notification bell so you can see when the Queen Pen is posting. Also, feel free to follow me on my socials. We have fun over there. So if you know me, you know what I say. If you don't, I'm Queen Pin K, and thank you so much for watching Queen Pin Entertainment. Queen Pin out.